Mastering when in defining relative clauses. Dancing with time in English. Hello everyone, and welcome to our latest English language learning video. Today, we're focusing on a very special topic: defining relative clauses. More specifically, we're going to explore how we use the word when for times and repeated events in defining relative clauses. So, get ready for some time travel as we demystify when in English grammar. Defining relative clauses are essential to our language. They give us more information about someone or something we have mentioned, and they help us be more precise. We often use the word when in defining relative clauses to refer to specific times or repeated events. Consider this sentence: I always read a book when I go to bed. Here, when I go to bed, is the defining relative clause that explains the repeated time of the action, read a book. Now, let's look at using when for specific times. We can use when to refer to a certain moment or period that an action or situation occurred. Here's an example: 2001 was the year when we first met. The clause, when we first met, is specifying the year 2001. When also comes in handy for describing repeated events. For instance, in the sentence, Mondays are the days when I clean the house, when I clean the house is the defining relative clause, indicating a regular event on Mondays. Let's get some practice. Fill in the blanks with appropriate defining relative clauses using when. 1. Blank was the time when we used to play outside all day. 2. Summer is the season, blank. 3. She reminisces about the days, blank. Here are the solutions. 1. Childhood was the time when we used to play outside all day. 2. Summer is the season when we go swimming every weekend. 3. She reminisces about the days when she worked in Paris. That's it for today's lesson on using when in defining relative clauses. We hope this tutorial helped to clear up any confusion and gave you a better grasp on using when for times and repeated events in English. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep working on these clauses. Until next time, keep exploring the beauty of English grammar, and happy learning.